So today's our topic is induced magnetism. In this magnetism, here we have to take one example. So we are having one magnet, and further here we are having one iron or steel bar, right? So we kept one steel bar near to this bar magnet. This is our bar magnet. Now if we have some iron fillings, and whenever we kept that iron fillings near here, near to this steel bar, that iron fillings just attracted towards this steel bar is not magnet now, but still that iron fillings is attracted towards that steel bar. So why this happens? This happens because of this magnet. Now further, if we remove this magnet, what happens? This iron fillings will be now, it is not attracted further one, it is far away from the this one. So whenever we kept bar magnet near to the steel bar, this steel bar act as a different individual magnet. That's why iron filling is attracted towards that iron bar. So whenever this is near to this iron bar, this behaves like a magnet. So this magnet having different polarities. So here if this is south, so here this end act as a north pole. So that is how polarity distributed inside this steel bar. But if we remove this, we don't have any magnetism inside this iron or steel bar. So this is not permanent magnet. This is for temporary one. So why this behaves as a magnet? Because of induced magnetism. Why induced magnetism? Via this bar magnet. So this bar magnet induced magnetism on this iron or steel bar. That's why it's sometime till this bar magnet is near to this, only for that time this behaves as an individual magnet. Now further on, induction precedes magnetism. Now what is the meaning of induction precedes magnetism? So see, example of this, if we are having one bar magnet, for example this north and this is south. Now we have some iron nails, and we just attach that iron nails like this. So this behaving north south, after that one more iron nail, north south, one more iron nail, north south. So these all iron nails are attached with this magnetism of the bar magnet. When I remove this bar magnet, what happens? All the iron nails fall down. Similar previous one, because of this magnet, this iron bar behaves like a magnet. That's why that iron fillings is attracted towards it, but when we remove it, just fall down. Similarly, if I remove this magnet, all the iron nail falling down further. So that's why, see, precedes means this iron nail precedes its magnetism, then this iron nail precedes its magnetism further, this iron nail precedes its magnetism further, so on. So that's why we keep all the iron nails in the periodic manner. But if we just remove this magnetism, all iron nails then falling down. So this is only temporary magnetism, right? It is not the permanent one. It is called induced magnetism because of the other magnet.